Are you one of many people who had problems with joint mobility or joint discomfort? Joint mobility and joint discomfort are prevalent problems. One national study reported that about 1/3 of adults have a problem with one or more joints. Knee pain was the most common complaint, followed by shoulder and hip pain, but joint pain can affect any part of your body from your ankles and feet to your shoulders and hands. As you get older, painful joints become increasingly more common. Most people, including doctors, do not believe that diet and the right supplements can have such a profound effect on your joints, skin, and connective tissue despite the accumulating research. When I met Andrew for the first time, he was not able to walk. He had problems with his knees. His wife was concerned about him. They own a health and wellness store, and they had access to the best products on the market, but nothing helped him. They came to meet with me full of hope. He didn't want to have his knees replaced. Once I explained our system to them, they decided to try it. After 4 months, he called me and said that he just finished a 3.5-mile walk. He can sleep at night again and has started to enjoy his life. His life was transformed. Our friend Barbara called us recently to let us know the great news about her elderly mother. She went from tears to joy. Her mother, who could not brush her teeth or dress by herself, regained her independence in just 4 months without surgery or medication. She does not have to hire a caregiver anymore. We were so happy to hear that. 8 years ago, another friend of ours, Basia, was under 40 years old, but she already had a problem with her back. Several times a month, she was in so much discomfort that she was not able to move without help. Basia needed to go to the doctor for therapy to be able to function. She was afraid to move fast, and she was cautious when she was getting up from her bed in the morning. She was not able to lift anything. This discomfort in her back bothered her for over 10 years. She was still quite young, and she was afraid what will happen when she gets older. She was trying to do everything she could to help herself. One day, her friend called her to let her know about the nutraceutical that she discovered that could help her. She was very skeptical, but she started to study it. She checked the clinical studies and the doctor's opinions. She decided to try it out. After the 3rd month on it, the discomfort in her back released. She has never had any problems with her back after that. How did these things happen? Was it a pure coincidence, or is there science behind it? Click Learn More and check it out for yourself.